Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how you can create multiple users or teammate accounts. Let's get started. First, in the left hand section, you need to find the teams header. Within the team section, you will just find the button for add a member. Simply, you just need to enter a name, could be test user 7, a email ID of your colleague, and now you can create a password. And by default we have three roles available. You can create a custom role as well. So here you just need to select all the features that you want your teammate to have. I'll just select some billing as well. Here I'll not forget the WhatsApp part. Add a member, and simply the user is now created. And let's test this. I'll go to another tab, test user 7. I'll enter the password. Yes, the login is successful. Now I'll go to the WhatsApp section, the inbox section, and as you can see, nothing is visible, right? The billing is also available, like I assigned, but the WhatsApp section is still empty. So for this part, you again need to go to the WhatsApp API section, settings part, and in the settings here are multiple API numbers available. So you will select the number for which you want to grant access. Here are a list of teammates that are available. I'll, for example, yeah, sorry. So here are the numbers available, and here is the list of my teammates. I'll just assign this particular number to this teammate. I'll just grant the access. And here is the option of all chats or assign chats. I'll just click with assign all chats, and here you can see for the test user the chat is now visible. So there's only one chat, so it is visible. And if I go back to the inbox section, the same preview is available to the admin as well, and now the user can use the same account to chat or to communicate. And this is how you can share the WhatsApp API access with your teammates. Thank you.